Mubaitin is a type of fried dumpling that is filled with a mixture of ground beef or lamb, onions, and spices. The dumplings are typically served as a snack or appetizer and are often dipped. Lamb by agine. Lamb by agine is a type of Libyan pizza that is made with a thin crust and topped with a mixture of ground beef or lamb, onions, and spices. The pizza is typically served as a snack or appet. Libyan tea. Libyan tea is a popular drink that is typically served in small glasses with a lot of sugar. The tea is often flavored with mint or other herbs and is a popular accompaniment to street food. Libyan cuisine also features a range of traditional beverages that are enjoyed throughout the country. Here are a few examples. Salab. Salab is a traditional Libyan drink that is made from a mixture of milk, sugar, and a starchy powder made from orchid roots. The drink is typically served hot and is flavored with cinnamon. Date juice. Date juice, or nabid, is a popular beverage in Libya and other North African countries. It is made by soaking dates in water for several hours and then straining the liquid. The resulting Libyan coffee. Libyan coffee is a strong and flavorful coffee that is typically served in small cups with a lot of sugar. The coffee is often flavored with cardamom or other spices, and is an important par. Jalab. Jalab is a sweet and fruity drink that is popular in Libya and other Middle Eastern countries. It is made from a mixture of grape molasses, rose water, and other flavorings, and is often say. Sherbet. Sherbet is a sweet and refreshing drink that is made from a variety of fruits and herbs. Common ingredients include lemon, mint, and rose petals, and the drink is often served cold with ice. In addition to its traditional foods and beverages, Libya also boasts a range of unique and flavorful desserts. Here are a few examples. Asabi. Asabi is a popular Libyan dessert that is similar to funnel cake. The dessert is made by pouring a mixture of flour, sugar, and water into hot oil, creating a crispy and sweet pastry that is. Halawa. Halawa is a dense and sweet dessert that is made from a mixture of sesame paste, sugar, and honey. The mixture is heated and then formed into small cakes, which are often served with tea or. Mamul. Mamul is a type of shortbread cookie that is often filled with dates or other sweet fillings. The cookies are typically shaped into small balls or crescents, and are often served during ho. Zalabia. Zalabia is a fried dough dessert that is similar to donuts. The dough is typically made from flour, water, and yeast, and is then fried until crispy and golden brown. The dessert is often say.